Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and enjoy your online session. Enjoy your online sessions. Okay, so now which period is going on? Which subject? Look at the board. Which subject is going on? Subject math. So math period is going on. In your previous videos, we have learned reverse counting from 40 to 1. So you revise all reverse counting from 40 to 1. Very nice. So now we will start reverse counting same but 5050 to 1. Okay, so now we will practice for 5050 to number 1. Okay, so let us start. Take out your math notebook, pencil and eraser and write with me. Okay, so first write down the heading reverse counting. Write here REVERSE, reverse counting. COUNTING, counting 50 to number 1. Reverse counting 50 to number 1. Okay. Okay, write fast down heading. So on number 1, 51. So start from 5050. Okay. First on number 1, we will write the position of the number. What is the position of the number? What is the position of the number? Tens and ones. So we will write here tens and ones and write from 5050. Start from 5050. Now write with me Look at the board. 5, 0, 50. Before 50, 4, 9, 49. Before 49, 4, 8, 48. Before 48, 4, 7, 47. Before 47, 4, 6, 46. Before 46, 4, 5, 45. Before 45, 4, 4, 44. Before 44, 4, 3, 43. Before 43, 4, 2, 42. And before 42, 4, 1, 41. Now let us check your line. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. Now your line is okay. Any mistakes are there? So correct your mistake and check your line. 50 to 41. How to check your line? Okay. Count forward and check your line. Okay. So now once again write the position of the number, tens, ones. And what is the before number of 41? Tell me what is the before number of 41? 4040. So write here 4040. Before 40, 3939. Before 39, 3838. Before 38, 3737. Before 37, 3636. Before 36, 3535. Before 35, 3434. Before 34, 3333. And before 33, 3232. Before 32, 3131. Now let's check your line from 31 to 40. Let us check. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, 40. So your line is okay. 40 to 31. Write all the two lines from 50 to 40, 31, 50 to 41 and 40 to 31. Be fast. Be fast, write 50 to 31. Write two line. Reverse counting from 50 to 31. Write fast, fast. Then start next line. Okay. will start from next line. Once again, write the position of the number, tens and ones. Okay, so before 31, which number will come? 3030. So write here 3030. Before 30, 2929. Before 29, 2828. Before 28, 2727. Before 27, 2626. Before 26, 2525. Before 25, 2424. Before 24, 2323. Before 23, 2222. And at last, before 22, 2121. Now how to check your line? Count forward. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now your line is correct. So check your line from the board. Check your line from the board and correct it. Write fast. Okay, so now move to the next line. Before 21, which number will come? First you write the position of the number. Yes. And before 21, which number will come? 2020. Write here 2020. Now before 20, 1919. Before 19, 1818. Before 18, 1717. Before 17, 1616. Before 16, 1515. Before 15, 1414. Before 14, 1313. Before 13, 1212. And before 12, 1111. So now how to check your line? Yes, from 11 to 20, let's start forward counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So your line is correct. Check your notebook also and correct from the board. Okay, so now write 20 to 11, write fast. 20 to 11, write fast. Then we will start next line. Okay, after this we will start next line. Write from 50 to 11, write fast. counting from 50 to 1. Reverse counting or backward counting. Reverse counting or backward counting. So now, before number 11, which number will come? Before number 11, which number will come? First you write the position of the number, tens and ones. And before number 11, 10 will come. So start from 10, 10. Yes. Start from 10, 10. Before number 10, which number will come? Number 9. And 9 we will write in ones column. So write 9 here. Before number 9. 8 here, before number 8, 7, before number 7, 6, before number 6, 5, before number 5, 4, before number 4, 3, before number 3, 2, and before number 2 is 1. So 10 to 1, let us check from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. So check your line. Write like this. From 50 to number 1. From 50 to number 1. Write fast all the numbers from 50 to 1. Reverse counting. Done. Now let us revise backward number, okay? So now we will start from 50 to 41. Okay, so are you ready? All are doing your work? Now check 50, 50, 49, 49, 48, 48, 47, 47, 46, 46, 45, 45, 44, 44, 43, 43. 42, 42 and 41, 41. Done? Okay, now move to the next line. 40, 40. Now repeat after me, okay? 39, 39. 38, 38. 37, 37. 36, 36. 35, 35. 34, 34. 33, 33. 32, 32. And 31, 31. So, complete this line. Very nice. Now move to the next line. 30, 30. 30, 30. 29, 29. 28, 28. 27, 27. 26, 26. 25, 25. 24, 24. 23, 23. 22, 22. And last 21, 21. Now move to the next line. 20. Okay. So 20, 20, 19, 19, 18, 18, 17, 17, 16, 16, 15, 15, 14, 14, 13, 13, 12 and 11. So complete this line. 20 to 11. Now let us check next line. 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now your reverse counting is done from 50 to 1 and check also. So now complete your work, reverse counting. Yes, so this is your class work. Now be practice for 50 to 1 in your homework also, okay? In homework also you practice for reverse counting from 50 to 1. 50 to 1. Okay. So now your video is over. Now do your classwork, do your homework and practice for reverse counting. Okay. How to revise? First you write and then check your line in forward. Okay, so now your lecture is over. Now bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.